Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. In continuation of NCERT Chapter 1, History, the French Revolution, this is my sixth video related to the role of women in France. What was the role of women in the French Revolution? Women hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. But it was not there. Most people of the third estate had to work for a living. They worked as seamstress, laundress, sold flowers, fruits, vegetables at the market, or were employed as a domestic servant in houses of prosperous people. Most women did not have access to education or job training. Only daughters of nobles or wealthier members of third estate could study at convent, after which their families arranged a marriage for them. Working women had also care for their families. They cook, fetch water, queue up for the bread, and look after their children. Most important, their wages were lower than those of men. Women raised their voice to get their right. Form political club, the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. In order to discuss and voice their interests, women start their own political club and newspaper. About 60 women's clubs came up in different French cities, out of which the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous of them. Together with the creation of state schoolings was made compulsory for all girls. Their fathers would no longer force them into marriage against their will. Marriage was made into a contract, entered into a freely and registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal and could be applied for by both men and women. Women could now train for jobs, could become artists or run small business. Women's struggle for equal rights and equal wages continue. During the Reign of Terror, the new government issued laws ordering closure of women's clubs and banning their political activities. Many prominent women were arrested and a number of them executed, but their movement continued through the next 200 years in many countries of the world. It was finally in 1946 that women in France won the right to vote. There were a number of women, those who were contribute their sacrifice of work to get the liberty or the rights of vote and other kind of thing, out of which the Olympe de Gauche 1784-1793, one of the most important of politically active women in revolutionary France. She protested against constitution and declaration of right of men and citizen and entitled to. So in 1791 she wrote a declaration of rights of women and citizen. Same manner there were number of other women, those who were raised their voice against to the system which is established in France. It was finally in 1946 that women in France won the right to vote. Thank you and have a nice day.